Well, she's moving. Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Little bit of a surreal feeling. First drive, I was moving. So, what happened since the last video? Well, finished off, a little bit of rubbing. Finished off all the little jobs. Got my friend to take it to MOT on a trailer, so it's first time on the road for me. Passed with a few advisories, but yeah, almost 10 months later, we are here in desperate need of tracking. Man, this is weird. Really weird to be back in it. So, let's have a look at the brakes. Oh, yep, a lot of catching in the front, so as Matt said, it's probably going to need to be raised. So yeah, let's see what it's like. 7:30 at night, so the traffic shouldn't be too bad, and fingers crossed all goes okay. I mean, bizarrely, I'm actually quite impressed with the coilovers. So we've obviously got the MaxPeeding Racing coilovers on here that do need to be raised, but so far the car feels good, really good. It's been running for about 15 minutes. Again, hopefully you can hear me all right, so it's all up to temperature. I've definitely got to re-bleed the brakes. That intake is loud. That is pre-VTEC loud. Smells hot, so we're burning something, maybe some oil, I don't know. But like I say, first proper drive out. It's a shame it's rubbing, because it is driving quite nicely. Coilovers seem compliant enough. Got BMW right up my arse, standard. Oh man, that gearbox, every time. Yeah, it's tracking pretty badly. Not unexpected, given that everything's been apart, new coilovers, massive change in height, but coilovers seem good, surprisingly good. This is where I thought, after obviously seeing how good they looked, it was probably going to be a bit of a disaster, but I am on the firmest setting, and I'd probably say it could go over a little bit firmer, to be honest, but no. Oh. Surreal being out, surreal. Yeah, the pedal brakes need a bit more bedding in time, I think. Gonna get a little VTEC pull. Oh, a bit more rubbing. Yeah, it sounds good. Does sound good. We are finally here. Finally on the road. Man, it does feel good to be back in the old girl. And the seats, what a difference in the driving position. Glad I kept the heater though. It is a bit cold tonight. Might put that on. Well, like I say, I've been driving now for a little bit. Oh, it's going to burn through that arch line. It actually handles all right. Surprisingly well. So, going to get the first little straight in a minute. Yes, the coilovers, really surprised, really surprised. Thought it was going to feel a bit sketchy and unbalanced, but considering, like I say, the geo is massively out, massively out. So, third, second. Ah. So, as said, just a short video today, show you that it does move under its own power on the road. Gonna go and get it set up on Saturday, just some basic geo, just to make sure the wheels are pointing in roughly the right direction. But nasty bit of road coming up. This will be a test, because this is horrible in all my cars. Oh, recovered well. Man, that box. Can't be much arch liner left now, surely. Who would have thought? And on time. Always got to remember, indicators are on the right. JDM tunnel. What's it sound like? Who doesn't love VTEC? Another pull of the VTEC. Man, the brakes work well too. Go on, M-Tech. Actually drives pretty fucking well. Wasn't expecting it, And early to meet Mr. Matt as well. So this is normally a bit of road, doing the speed limit as well, that upsets the cars because of the elevation and the drops and the turns, but man, it drives all right, it really does. So surprised. Up to a bit of national now. Yeah, the brakes work, the brakes do work. Man, cool. I'm not gonna lie, it does get windy in here. Maybe I should have kept the windows, as Matt said, but shh, I won't admit that. It's a bit of a wind buffet, but everything's still attached, I think. Man, like, a bit skittish under braking, but to be expected. Oh, the rubbing. Man, it drives fucking well. No smoke either. Blowing my beard everywhere though. This convertible life is not for me, is it? Man. Jesus. There's part of you when you start a project car, you think, I'm never going to get this on the road, am I? I've started this, I was cutting those arches out. But yeah. Big thanks to everyone really, like Charles for putting me in contact with the seller, Matt, my best mate, for helping me pick it up, my friend who sorted out the recovery and getting it to the MOT centre for me, and most of all, Danny, my missus. Man, she's put up with me, especially tinkering on the driveway on Valentine's Day. Let's go for one more VTEC pull before we see Matt, shall we? Fucking jokes.